And what if some of the craziest kitchen gadgets online actually ended up becoming the ones you use every single day? From smarter cooking tools to clever gadgets that save time, reduce mess, and make food prep easier. Today we're checking out 12 kitchen gadgets you'll probably use daily. If you love discovering cool gadgets and useful finds, make sure to subscribe, and if something catches your eye, you'll find all the links down in the description. Let's get into it. Dull knives make cooking harder than it needs to be, but this gadget fixes that in seconds. The Lefugo electric knife sharpener takes tired kitchen knives and brings them back to life with almost no effort. Just place the blade into the guide, choose one of 3 speed settings, and let the sharpener do the work. Thanks to the cordless design, it's even more convenient to use. It features a 2-stage sharpening system. The first stage repairs damaged edges, while the second polishes the blade for smoother cutting performance. The result: tomatoes slice cleanly, vegetables cut more easily, and meal prep becomes much faster. Homemade ice cream usually sounds like a lot of work, but this gadget changes that completely. The Cuisinart Fast Freeze ice cream maker can whip up ice cream, milkshakes, sorbets, slushies, and other frozen desserts with simple, one-touch controls. Just add your ingredients, choose a program, and let the machine do the rest. 5 built-in presets automatically handle the mixing and freezing, while the compact design keeps it from taking over your countertop. Instead of saving frozen desserts for special occasions, this is the kind of appliance that makes them practical enough to enjoy any day of the week. Grating cheese shouldn't feel like a workout. The Xylus rotary cheese grater turns one of the most repetitive kitchen tasks into something quick, easy, and surprisingly satisfying. Instead of rubbing food against a traditional grater, you simply load the ingredients, turn the handle, and let the stainless steel drum blades do the work. It can grate cheese, shred vegetables, slice fruits, chop nuts, and even handle chocolate. The strong suction base keeps everything locked firmly to the countertop, while the safety plunger keeps your fingers away from the blades. It's the kind of gadget that quietly saves you time almost every single day. Most toasters do one thing. This one does it better. The Ganiza Smart 2-Slice Toaster upgrades one of the most used appliances in your kitchen, with a modern touchscreen display and smarter controls. Instead of guessing when your toast will pop up, the digital countdown timer shows exactly how much time is left. Thick artisan bread, English muffins, and larger bagels fit easily without getting stuck. 6 browning levels let you customize every slice, while additional settings handle frozen bread, waffles, bagels, reheating, and defrosting. It's the kind of toaster that makes breakfast easier, more consistent, and a lot more satisfying every single morning. Food scraps have a way of taking over your countertop. The Kazai Ellen Kitchen Compost Bin solves that problem with a cleaner, more organized approach to food prep. Instead of constantly walking back and forth to the trash can while cooking, you can keep vegetable peels, coffee grounds, eggshells, and other scraps right where you need them. The compact rectangular design fits neatly on counters without taking up much space. But the real magic is the odor control system. An activated charcoal filter works together with a tight silicone seal to trap smells and discourage fruit flies. It's one of those gadgets that quietly makes cooking feel less messy every single day. What if your kitchen could turn out restaurant-style pizza in just minutes? The Willow Indoor Pizza Oven brings serious heat straight to your countertop. This compact powerhouse reaches up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit in under 4 minutes, helping you achieve crispy crusts and perfectly cooked toppings far faster than a traditional oven. Its multiple cooking presets handle frozen pizzas, pan pizzas, thin crusts, thick crusts, and even wood-fired inspired styles. The included ceramic pizza stone distributes heat evenly, giving your pizzas that authentic, restaurant-quality texture every time. Pouring oil shouldn't leave a mess behind. The Olietta olive oil dispenser bottle solves one of the most common kitchen frustrations with a surprisingly simple design. Its leak-proof, non-drip spout helps prevent oil from running down the side of the bottle and pooling on your countertop. That means cleaner hands, cleaner counters, and less wasted oil while you cook. The borosilicate glass construction also gives it a premium look that feels just as at home on the dining table as it does next to the stove. And it's not just for olive oil, it works equally well with vinegar, soy sauce, syrups, and other liquid ingredients you use regularly. Coffee shop drinks get expensive fast. The Spassky electric milk frother brings that cafe experience straight to your kitchen with almost no effort. This compact 4-in-1 gadget can create warm, dense foam, light, airy foam, cold foam, and even steamed milk for lattes, cappuccinos, matcha, and hot chocolate. Just pour in the milk, press a button, and let it go to work. In a few minutes, you've got rich, silky foam that instantly makes homemade drinks feel more premium. Whether you're starting the morning with coffee or ending the day with hot chocolate, this is one of those gadgets that quickly becomes part of your daily routine. Seasoning food is something you do almost every time you cook, so why not make it easier? The Ringco electric salt and pepper grinder set replaces manual twisting with one-touch automatic grinding. Just press the button and the ceramic grinding mechanism does the rest. You can also adjust the grind size depending on whether you want a fine seasoning or larger, coarse flakes. Built-in LED lights let you see exactly how much seasoning you're adding, which is surprisingly useful when cooking in low-light conditions. It feels modern, looks great on the countertop, and upgrades one of the most repeated tasks in the entire kitchen. Food waste adds up faster than most people realize. The Belicious Pro handheld vacuum sealer helps keep ingredients fresh longer without taking up valuable counter space. Simply connect it to a reusable vacuum bag, press the button, and watch it remove the air automatically. The strong suction helps extend freshness for meats, vegetables, snacks, leftovers, and meal prep ingredients. An intelligent auto-stop function handles the process for you, while moisture detection helps protect the device when liquids are present. It's easy to use and one of the smartest ways to reduce food waste while keeping groceries fresher longer. Fresh bread deserves a proper knife. The Wick Willow 10-inch bread knife is designed to slice through crusty loaves without crushing the soft interior. The high-carbon German stainless steel blade stays sharp longer, while the precision serrated edge grips tough crusts and glides cleanly through soft centers. The extra-long 10-inch design also helps you achieve smoother, more even slices with fewer sawing motions. Whether you're cutting sourdough, sandwich rolls, cakes, or pastries, the difference is immediately noticeable. Once you've used a knife built specifically for bread, you'll understand why so many home bakers refuse to use anything else. Breading food can get messy. Flour ends up on the counter, and batter sticks to your hands. The Can-Cooker collapsible batter bowl solves that problem with a simple but clever design. Instead of coating food in open containers, everything happens inside a sealed bowl. Just add your ingredients, close the lid, and shake. The transparent sides let you watch the coating process without opening the container, helping keep flour, breadcrumbs, and seasonings where they belong. It works great for fried chicken, fish, onion rings, wings, vegetables, and just about anything else that needs breading. And that wraps up today's list of kitchen gadgets you'll probably find yourself using every day. You'll find all the links down in the description. Which gadget was your favorite? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.